Our campus feels like a home away from home. The support here makes it easy to step outside of your comfort zones.
Our lecturers are some of the best in the world. This is where the learning, the growing, and the shaping takes place.
It's what everyone is here to do, to find out what you can achieve, to discover your purpose. I always knew I wanted to be a dentist. This is the only place to be.
It's where I am my truest self, always creating and evolving. Learning from the best, striving to be the best.
This place feels unique to other spaces. My best business ideas are born right here. It's an open space that's open to everyone.
I spend a lot of time here. It's just so peaceful. Look around you. Everyone has a place here. Right in the heart of campus, with people to guide and support you at all times.
Here's a hub for conversations. All ages, all interests, same vibe. Everyone knows everyone. You can make so many friends here.
The ocean's on our doorstep. It's a place where my ideas are important and my project really matters.
We are so fortunate to have world-class equipment at our fingertips. All my questions are answered. My favourite subjects have been discovered.
You feel the energy when you come here. So give it a go. Push yourself. Try everything. You just have to get started.
Here in the South Island, there's so much to do and explore. So many beautiful hikes, walks, and beaches.
Everyone has a part to play. To carry on tradition, to pave your own path, to break through barriers.
It's the University of Otago. This place I now call home. The people I met along the way made me who I am today.
I am ready.